Well, we've arrived at the infamous sandhill, and I've watched so many videos on the Barracks Trail, and nothing gives this the steepness of the sandhill any justice. It just doesn't come up on video. Look at the entrances to come down. This one's even worse. I almost feel like once we cross over, we're committed. Okay, we ready?
All right, Lord. So what do we do?
Okay, here we are at the Barracks Trail in Utah, and we're getting ready to take off and try it. Right now we are just in the process of airing down. There's Lena, excited to go do the Barracks Trail. But one thing we're not sure about, this actually crosses the, I believe it's the Virgin River 21 times, and so being that it's the end of January, I'm not exactly sure what the water level is going to be like. So we're going to take that as it comes, and hopefully we won't have to turn around and come back if it's impassable. But we'll see. Let's go along for the ride. Wow. Okay, I forgot what this thing is called. You know, the people that have carved their names into the... Slow it down. All right. Linda's doing a water crossing here. Not bad, Linda. Nice. We're having a pretty good time, especially Linda here. Well, we're using our Jeep what it was made for. It's not a pavement princess or a mall crawler. Not today, at least.
There's some motorcycles coming up behind us, so we're gonna watch them cross the creek before we do if they come this way. But look at this. Isn't this just gorgeous? Yeah, I'm telling you. Easy. Okay.
You guys are next.
I know.
Checking it out. It'd be nice if you've done this trail this time. Total confidence.
Oh, water's not that deep.
It's not bad at all.
All right, here comes Todd. His turn. But it is a little steep, just dropping down right there. The rest looks easy. All this mud and stuff. Here he comes. We got it.
How are you gonna get to the other side?
I can jump on top right now.
Look at the scenery here. River crossing after river crossing. Linda, you having a good time?
I am having fun.
And here's yet another one. That one.
All right, we're gonna go down this deep part. So I asked Todd to drive, because I don't want to get.
I don't know that I'm any less nervous than you are.
We're pretty sideways here. Oh, you did a good job with that, honey. I don't feel water in the Jeep yet, so that's a good sign. That was so easy. Here he comes.
Well, we've arrived at the infamous sandhill, and I've watched so many videos on the Barracks Trail, and nothing gives this the steepness of the sandhill any justice. It just doesn't come up on video. Okay, we're gonna go take a quick look to see what the access is to even cross over to that side, because over here it looked to me like once you go down it, it would be really hard to come back up it. So we're gonna go check it out.
Watch out for ice. Oh yeah.
Just all the videos I've watched on that sandhill, man, on YouTube, they don't look like they're that big of a deal. And I was like, man, why is everyone making such a fuss of this? And we were a long ways off on the trail and we spotted this and we're like, is that this climb? Oh.
I had no idea it was this tall.
Yeah.
And it said sandhill. I'm thinking like a small little thing, you know? Definitely not anything like this.
Yeah. Even the access to get up here, not too bad. So we come over here, go to the right.
Okay.
Come up this way. Linda, I watched a video for Matt's off-road recovery and he rescued someone right there. They were sliding down this section right here. Right there. It was a Toyota 4Runner. He went off to the left.
Well, I think
We get a running start from down here.
that looks better than going through the sand here.
That's a little off camera right there. That's like if you start to slip down there, that's... I think I'd almost rather just hit it straight on. So we get a little bit more speed. Should we try it?
I guess. What's the worst thing that can happen?
We could flip over and die.
All right then.
Or get stuck and have a $2,000 recovery bill. Okay, we ready?
All right, Lauren.
Okay, so we made it to the top of the big sand hill. Holy smokes. Linda spotted me and she's coming up. That was scary. My heart is beating like I'm shaking, but thank you for the spot, I guess.
I got the short end of the stick.
I don't know about that. That was, wow.
My calves are killing me.
YouTube doesn't do it justice, but that hill was super steep.
Woo.
We did it, Linda.